So now we've confirmed that the board can be powered up. What we will do is we'll press confirm. This will start the PPS to be turned on, and after 5 seconds it will turn on. So what will happen, it will analyze the power, the amps and the wattage to ensure it is inside the target value set. And as it is inside, we will get a pass result and it will ask you to move on to the next step. So what we'll do now is we'll move on to reading the values from the edge connector. So moving on to the next step, we will get a similar text box asking that to confirm that the documents have been read. And then what we will be able to do is, once they have been plugged in, we will be able to turn the PPS on and move on to the next step to measure the voltages from the edge connector. So now we know it's ready to be powered on, we select yes, and after 5 seconds we will move on to the next step. So what happens is the PPS automatically turns on, and then we start reading each of the voltages from the edge connector. So as you can see here, we're inside the target value, seen here by the green line, and the tolerances, which are the blue arrows pointing down. So if we go down, we can see each of the different pins and measure that they are inside the tolerances. As we have a pass result, we know that each of the voltages from the edge connector are correct, and we can move on to the next step in measuring component level instead of board level testing.